Garlic for weight loss is a good idea. How? You can get more details in this video. Scientifically called Allium sativum, garlic belongs to the Alliaceae family of plants, together with onion and others related to them. It is known to have been used throughout history for all kinds of purposes, culinary, medical, and even mystical, to chase away vampires. It has excellent properties that help us maintain our health. When crushed, it produces as a reaction one of the most powerful natural antibiotics, allicin and phytoncide, an antifungal chemical substance. Enzymes, vitamin B, allene are among other great components of garlic. Garlic for weight loss is a good idea because garlic also contains antioxidants, which are well known to be responsible for weight loss and other health benefits like reducing the risk of cancer. However, it also has health disadvantages, such as halitosis, indigestion, diarrhea and others. It has also been discovered that it has a certain level of toxicity for the liver if consumed in large quantities. So if you want to use garlic for weight loss, it is vitally important that you use moderated quantities and include them in your normal eating habits rather than forcing their way into your stomach. You should also be careful when you choose to consume it, since it gives a very bad breath and thirst sensation. It is usually recommended to consume it when you're planning to stay at home for the rest of the day. As for storage, it is recommended to be stored in pretty warm but dry places, usually above 18 degrees Celsius. Traditionally it is knitted and hung, but if you buy it from a supermarket it won't have the leaves needed for that. It is certain that eating garlic has more advantages than disadvantages, so I personally suggest that you do, but take the above advice into consideration before doing it.